Hello everyone and welcome back in another video. So if you have been wondering how can you disconnect your Facebook account from your Instagram account, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end of this video so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. So I'll show you how can you do that from both Facebook and Instagram. So since we're going to be using those apps, we need to head out to Play Store and make sure we have both of those applications updated to the latest version, or at least have one of the newer versions for everything to work properly on those apps. So of course, make sure you have the Instagram app and the Facebook app updated. After that, let's start from the Facebook app. So once you open Facebook, you can tap right here in the top right corner on your profile picture to open the menu. And then from here, you need to go to settings. So tap on this gear icon in the top right corner, and then tap on see more in account center. And from here we can continue, and I'll show you how to get to this place on Instagram as well. So open Instagram and then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. And then from here tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and we need to go to settings from here as well. So tap on settings and privacy. From here tap on account center in the top. And this is the place we were on Facebook app earlier, and so from here to continue we need to go ahead and tap on accounts in the bottom right here. You'll be taken to this page. Choose the Facebook account you want to remove from Instagram, so just tap on remove next to that account, and from this page tap on remove account in the top of these options. From here you need to tap on continue, and you'll need to type in your password correctly, and just like that your Facebook account will be disconnected from Instagram. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.